Hey friends, welcome back. If you want to see how I went from this to this, keep watching. Ooh, yeah, baby. This video is a collaboration with Irresistible Me Hair Extensions. Let me tell you about Irresistible Me Hair. It's an online extension company that sells clip-ins, tape-ins, extensions, wigs, and ponytails. Sent me a 14-inch curly ponytail extension in the color Jet Black. I really love the packaging. It comes in this sturdy container that you can use to store your hair piece when you're not using it. So this is a 100% ponytail extension, and I do notice a little shedding, and I will be washing it before I use it. Hopefully some of that shedding will dissipate. You can see I did wash it and it had some shedding, but the shedding was minimal after the hair dried. The curls are really nice and deeply defined. I really love this hair. It's soft. So now that the hair is washed, I'm going to begin to install a ponytail. I already washed my hair, so I'm applying some leave-in and some hair oil. I'm going to blow dry my hair off camera, and I already gelled the back of my hair down off camera just to save some time. Now I'm creating a side part, and I'm using a Got To Be glue gel. It might look like I'm being rough with my hair, but I'm not being rough. The video is sped up, so it's going to look like I'm putting a lot of tension on my hair, but I'm really not. So I'm just parting my hair by sections, and I'm just sleeking each section down, section by section at a time. And once I get everything smoothed out and laid to where I want it, I will take the ponytail out in the back, and I will ensure that all the hair is laid and the ponytail is secured nice. Leaving out my edges because I'm going to lay them down later after I get the hair molded in place. Now I'm taking out the back ponytail just to make sure everything is nicely molded together. Now I'm satisfied with the way the ponytail is laying, so I'm going to cover it up and I'm going to come back in 2 hours. So now my hair is dry and I'm ready to install the ponytail. I'm attaching the ponytail to my hair using a clip, and I used a drawstring to tie it tightly around the ponytail. I did make this tighter off camera, but y'all, did y'all see that shake? I just wish it was a little bit longer. So now laying my edges with some edge control, and no fancy edges, just laying them down, just smoothing them out, that's all. Because as y'all can see, my edges are thin. Now I'm going to apply some mousse to my hair and to the ponytail for some extra shine and hold. Right, y'all, this is it. I want to thank Irresistible Me Hair for collabing with me. Thanks for stopping by. Like, comment, and subscribe for more from me. Bye, y'all.